Hey, welcome back to Plastic Madness. Today we're going to be looking at the last figure from Wave 1 from Transformers, the Model Kits Experience from Blocks. This is the last figure from the first wave. As I mentioned in the previous video, I have Wave 2 and Wave 3 is on its way. So let's go ahead and open this figure. All right, we have two aluminum bags. I'll put on this one. You see this in there, which is the Skywarp, as expected since that was the last figure. Let's see. And so we get all these extra hand bases. Everything off camera. Nice, very nice. All right, so all right, let's put him together again. Skywarp, get your QR code there, you can scan it. It flew away. All right, let's build the legs together. Put the legs together there. There. Here we go. Nice. The colors are a little like pale, I think. It should probably be a little bit darker. At least that's what I feel, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's put another foot here, the little wings with the Decepticon logos, insignias. All right. Push. There we go. All right, let's build the joints for the knees. Let's put the knees. All right, so gotta make some room for this because they don't use that much space, but there are quite a few, so gotta find a space. I think I have a shelf that's not that tall, especially since I'm gonna have what? I have 9. Once I put the 9 from this wave 2, that's gonna be 18, and I have 9 more on its way. So yeah, I think because they have like the Constructicons now, and I think that you should be able to. Let's put it backwards. I think that you should be able to combine them. At least that's what I think I saw. I might be wrong, but I don't know how good it's gonna look. I don't know if I'm gonna try to attempt that or not. I don't know. Let's see. There. Feet 1, feet 2. All right, let's build the torso. Nice details for the cockpit, or the yeah, and the 2 jets, the 2 engines on the chest. Pretty cool. It's been a while since I built Thundercracker, so kind of going by what I remember. I mean, the instructions are easy, but you can miss things. There's always a chance you can miss something. Oh, it's also Hasbro 2023. Let's put the back. Let's put the back. Very nice. Waist and one, like two. Let's see. I believe these ones, they look the same. Yep, they're the same. So it doesn't matter. You can put either one for front and back. This is what you see from the back. Pretty nice to me. Not that many details, but they're there. The few details that you see there. Okay, let's build the elbows. And all of them, they have these little Decepticon and Autobot thing that you can just put in there. They're like some ports on their arms that you can, on the lower arm, that you can put them there, like I did with Ratchet. That was more like a monitor, but all right. That's one. That's the other one. There we go. And let's put this in there, and then push this. And of course, he gets the extra ball joint for the null rays. So, and when on way 2 we have Starscream. So once I put those together, then I have all the stickers together, which is kind of cool. Let's see. See, now following the instructions, I realized that you need to put the wings first. See, I told you. You can mess things. There you go. Or miss things. I don't know. Depends. Okay. And here's the head. That's neat. Very detailed. I mean, that's a nice detail under the eyes, and the eyes are like kind of like glossy. Let's see if you can see better. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, let's put this in there. Put the neck, and put this one. Oh, put the head back in there, please. And this one is fighting me a little bit. There we go. And let's get the race. It's kind of like it defeats the purpose of having the Decepticon insignia there, because it's pushed to the, gets covered by the null rays, right? So, and let's see, let's just give him 2 fists. And here we are. Okay, there we go. Get the stuff out of the way. Okay, that's pretty neat. All right, let me put him on the 360, and then we finish the review. All right, and here's on the 360 view. I tried to post him like taking off, but I feel like for these figures they should add like a little stand, and or at least give you the effects for like the one that Ironhide came with. Who else? I think Megatron came with one. So the blast effects, I think they should have give you these, either the stand or the effects. So I think that's one of the negatives of this, the flying of the Seekers, that they're missing that. Other than that, they look great. They look the part. There you can see it from the back, like as the insignias. Again, I got these figure plus the other 8 individual boxes, or blind boxes, I think they call them, from Show Z store, and I got the Wave 2 as well. So I'm gonna do a review of those figures once I get them out of the box. And I hope, if anything, I hope you enjoy the review. If you like it, give it a like, subscribe, all those cool things, and we'll see you in the next video. All right? Okay. Take care, and thanks for watching. Bye.